Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Coins. Daniel J. Glenn here at the Crypto Keeper. But before we jump in today, I want to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. But if you want to try Kalshi Perps, I'm going to give you an affiliate link down below. You can trade $50 using that link to get a bonus subject to eligibility. And I want to talk a little bit today about what you can actually do on Kalshi. Because when most people think of Kalshi, they think of prediction markets, but there's actually so much more you can do there. Alongside prediction markets, Kalshi also offers CFTC regulated perpetual futures, where you can choose a multiplier to increase your market exposure. Now, the thing you have to remember is that multipliers amplify both potential returns, but also potential losses, giving traders another way to market movement. Whether you're interested in cryptocurrencies, major events, or other available markets on the platform, everything is accessible through one account. That makes it easy. One place, all kinds of ways to play with the market. Having multiple products available means that you can choose the one that best suits your trading style, rather than being limited to just one market. As always, every trade carries risk, so make sure you understand the product you're investing in before getting started. Now, having more markets means more choice. Let me know what you'd like me to cover next, and we'll see you in the next video.